Rounding up his argument with admissions by the investigating officer, Sisa Namandje, representing Peter and Malakia Elindi, said Oberty Inambao conceded under cross-examination that the applicants were not arrested due to being flight risks or that they would potentially interfere with investigations or pose a danger to society. Namandje said the officer also admitted that there were errors in the charges due to time constraints, with some charges missing essential elements under the Anti-Corruption Act and the Prevention of Organised Crime Act. He added that Inambao acknowledged that the asset purchase agreement and fuel supply agreement were legitimate transactions and that there was no evidence linking the Elindi brothers to the payment of bribes. The defense lawyer described the state's case as incomplete, asking the court to release them on a warning or grant them bail of $50,000 each. Francois Bangomavo, representing former NAMCOR Managing Director Emmanuel Mulunga and former Finance Executive at NAMCOR Jennifer Amukwaya, argued that Inambao was unreliable, urging the court to disregard his evidence. Bangomavo maintained that his clients never received funds in their personal accounts, a fact confirmed by Inambao. He said no documentary proof was ever presented to show that a luxury vehicle allegedly bought by fugitive businessman Victor Malema belonged to his client Mulunga. Gilroy Casper, representing Olivia Dunayski, told the court that the ACC's investigation was one-sided and excluded the accused. Casper pointed out anomalies, making reference to Dunayski, who is accused of receiving $10,000 but had to apply for bail, while Enercon CEO Connie van Wyk, accused of receiving $1.5 million, who was released without a formal application. Eleni Gebhardt, representing Leon Ndago, said there were no factual disputes in her client's case and that the ACC had presented limited evidence against him. She said though Nandago faced the same allegations as Van Wyk, she had to make formal bail application, arguing it would be inconsistent to treat the charges differently. Nandago is accused of paying $500,000 to Panduleni Farming, which the state alleges were proceeds from NAMCOR. Advocate Bason Lilungwe will submit the state's closing arguments on August 22. Emil Sabeb, NBC News, Windhoek.